Hello, beautiful people. My name's Kristen. Thank you for taking some time hanging out with me this day. I really appreciate it. I have my yoga box, which I'm excited about. This is actually my May box, which was late, obviously, and they'd never been late. They'd always been very, very prompt. So I just sent an email and said, hey, I know it's, a lot of special circumstances right now, but I just wanted to check. And they said, oh yeah, we're so sorry. We're just really backed up. We're gonna skip your month of June. We won't bill you. We won't send you that box because your May box is going to come in the middle of June. So here it is. I have not even opened it. I just broke the tape, so we will see. Basically, it is $79 a month for 3 premier brand exercise outfits, but my link gives you $20 off, so that'd be $59 for 3 things, premier brand. And then sometimes they send you some extra freebies, so it looks like I got some panty liners. So, that's not a bad thing to have with your workout stuff, right? And I got something red. Pretty excited, by Whisper Lycra. $60 is the manufacturer retail. It's got a very pretty back, like that, and I like the full coverage front. Very nice. I'm liking it. That's a winner. And then it looks like the top looks like a black tank by Splendid. Love Splendid. Just a totally standard black tank. So you can absolutely, it doesn't look like the armholes are excessively big. I bet we could maybe even wear this, just with jean shorts and just day to day. I don't know that you have to even wear a sports bra with that one. And then, look, we got some leopard. What do you think, Kayla, if you're watching? It's your workout outfit. I don't have any leopard workout. So it looks like it's full length with a stripe and then a cute, it looks almost pinkish on the camera, but it's just a bunch of grays and slates, and it looks like a nice band. I didn't look at the retail of this is by Studio by Splendid. So this is Splendid. Splendid is expensive, y'all. $88 retail. Whoops. And the tank is $48 tank. It is super, super soft, and it actually has the performance weave, so it is nice. I wouldn't pay that for a tank. I wouldn't even pay $88, but to pay $59 for 3 things, that's a deal, y'all. That's a deal. So I will try this on. We'll see what we got. All right, so here is my Splendid outfit. It is a black tank. I don't know if I showed up close, but it's pretty sheer and ribbed, but it's black, it's dark. So I'm really thinking I'm just gonna put this in my regular, I have a workout pile of like performance shirts, and then I have my everyday like wear pile, and I'm actually gonna put this in my everyday wear. I think it'd be really cute, maybe even with a little bralette, just wear it. So yeah, I think that's nice. It's a nice shorter length. Look at these cute leggings. I've got one sock on because I took my boot off to put the leggings on. I've got my ankle in a boot to get it all healed up, but then I can get back to more running and yoga. So we've got high waist. It is rolling down just a little bit, but it's super stretchy and super comfortable, so really like it. Really like the detail of the side stripe. That's very sporty and flattering. And then the red top is just solid on the front and got the cool detail in the back. So what do you think of this outfit? A pretty good value, right? And it's pretty comfortable. I would be willing to wear this. I mean, this is a really full coverage, nice and supportive bra, so tomorrow's Saturday, I may just wear this as my Saturday outfit. I have to check the weather because, you know, longer leggings might get a little warm depending, but I think we've got some rain showers coming in. So if nothing else, it'll be good during a rainy day next week. Oh, a rainy day with tea, with hot tea and a book. This would be that outfit, y'all, for sure. So thank you for taking some time. If you would like to try YogaClub, get your first box at $59, less than 20 bucks a piece. It'll be in the description. You can click on that. And I appreciate you taking some time. Let me know what you think. What's your favorite piece? And I enjoyed the surprise fit. Thank you, YogaClub. And this is now counting as my June box. So I will see you again in July for another yoga. Namaste.